everyone, this is Pavla and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll share my experience of the initial days of MBBS, how medical college is going on and what is happening with me nowadays. So let's start. Okay, so at first I would like to share a thing that happened a long time ago actually. So on 22nd September it was our orientation day. That day was also our white coat ceremony happened, and after that the day after 23rd September it was supposed to be our first day of medical college. I got up in the morning, got ready and started my journey towards medical college Kolkata. But in the middle of my journey I got to know that it rained very heavily the day before, like in the night, and due to that Kolkata got waterlogged the day after, and it remained like that for a few more days. Okay, so I was in the train when I got to know this, and I didn't know what to do. Like, I was so confused, like, should I go back to home or should I complete my journey and reach college and see what happens? देन आई डिसाइडेड, जब निकल ही पड़े तो चले ही जाते, क्या ही होगा, वैसे भी घर पे बैठ के तो कुछ करना ही नहीं था. तो then I went to medical college Kolkata after train, metro and everything, and when I was entering college it was literally waterlogged. And then the adventure began. I got lost in my own college campus. Then I contacted some of my friends and they guided me where the lecture was supposed to be happening. But we are sitting there chit-chatting with each other. Then a ma'am came and told that the class was dismissed for that day. Like, to be honest, that was really disappointing because we reached there with so much of struggle. But there was no class. After that, as our puja vacation was from 26th to 7th October, so we enjoyed our last puja vacation with the free mind actually. And after that, from 8th October our full-time classes started, and to be honest, first day of medical college it was really very exhausting for me. Okay, so 9 to 12 we have our 3 theory classes, that is anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. And after that, from 12 to 12:30 we have our lunch break, that is sometimes also got lost due to class.
मुझे अपने घर जाना है मुझे घर जाना है.
Then 12:30 to 2:30 we have one practical classes, and 2:30 to 4:30 we have another practical classes. Actually it's really very exhausting. जितना एक्साइटेड थी मैं इंग्लिश को लेके उतना भी एक्साइटेड नहीं है. सीनियर्स बोलते थे ये बात, तो तब सोचती थी कि कॉलेज में जाऊंगी तो देखा जाएगा क्या होगा, लेकिन अब समझ में आ रहा है फर्स्ट क्लास अटेंड करने से ही मतलब दिमाग में कुछ चल नहीं रहा क्या हो रहा है, क्या करना है. इन क्लासेस आई फील सो डम एज आई हैवंट स्टडीड since NEET exam, and suddenly we got burdened with all this huge syllabus of MBBS and 9 to 4:30 classes. That's really exhausting. Like, स्कूल में भी इतना नहीं पढ़ाते थे जहाँ इतना कॉलेज में पढ़ा रहे हैं. But somehow I will manage and let's see what's happened next, because now I'm hoping to survive the first year of MBBS. बाकी का तो आगे देखा जाएगा. So wish me luck. Bye bye bye. Let's see what's happening coming next.
बाय बाय.
তুই দাঁড়িয়ে ছিলি.